In today's video, we're diving into the world of stock and business applications available for Android. Let's explore the features that make these apps essential tools for managing your investments and staying informed about the market. The best stock and business applications for Android provide users with tools to manage investments, track market trends, and analyze financial data. These applications typically feature real-time stock quotes, customizable watch lists, and news updates to keep users informed about market movements. They often include analytical tools such as charts and technical indicators to help users make informed decisions. Additionally, many of these applications offer educational resources, allowing users to learn about trading strategies and financial concepts. Some may also have social features, enabling users to connect with other investors and share insights. Overall, these applications aim to empower users to take control of their financial future and make sound investment choices. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this overview of the best stock and business applications for Android helpful.